We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of VOERJIA 21V Cordless Weed Eater and String Trimmer. Consists of the following features: 2-in-1 trimmer and wheeled edger. The 90 degrees pivoting head instantly transforms this cordless weed whacker from a standard string trimmer into a vertical lawn edger. Unlike basic models, it features detachable guide wheels, allowing you to simply walk behind the tool for stable, straight edging along driveways and walkways. This design significantly reduces arm fatigue, making it an easy-to-use electric weed eater for seniors and women. This battery-powered weed eater kit includes two 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion packs to provide 40 to 60 minutes of total runtime. The built-in LCD screen on the handle shows your exact battery percentage at a glance. Simply swap the packs to maintain continuous power for your electric weed whacker, ensuring your lawn care is never interrupted. Ideal for maintaining small to medium-sized yards with ease and efficiency. Ultra-lightweight, foldable and low noise, weighing just 4.6 pounds with an included shoulder strap, this electric weed whacker prevents fatigue, making it ideal for seniors and women. Its quiet motor is neighbor-friendly, and the foldable design makes this weed eater compact for easy storage. Note: this is a light-duty trimmer for soft grass and edging, not recommended for thick brush or commercial use. Auto line feed, no bumping, and 8 replacement spools. This cordless string trimmer features an intelligent auto line feed system that automatically advances the line upon restart, eliminating the frustration of manual bumping. How it works: simply release the trigger to stop the motor, then press again to feed the line. The kit includes 8 pre-wound spools for this electric weed eater, ensuring you're fully stocked for multiple seasons of continuous, hassle-free lawn care. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.